everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well today and staying safe. It's good to see everybody. So today is June 1st of 2023 and I have some yarn to show you, some new yarn from Knit Picks. Like I said before, I don't often buy from Knit Picks, but last time I said I might start buying from them again. For some reason, I don't know why they have some really nice yarn stores. Anyways, they had a new yarn that I wanted to check out, so it came. I never have had a problem the few times that I have purchased from Knit Picks with them at all, and they always ship really fast. So this was shipped UPS second day. I might have paid for fast shipping. I can't remember if I did or not. Yeah, I did. I did pay $15. I think that was for 2-day shipping. But I do believe they have different shipping tiers. They might even have a free shipping. But anyways, let's open it up. Enough talk, more yarn, right? Enough talk, let's see the yarn. Knit Picks. Now, I bought this when they were having a sale. Might have been a Memorial Day sale. I believe it was 30% off, if I can remember right. So, oh, it looks really pretty. There's some very lightweight yarn in here. And I knew it was lightweight, but I bought it anyways because it looks really pretty. Okay, first I'm going to start off with this yarn I got. I never had it before. This, I don't think it's new. I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. How about that? It's called Gloss DK. It's 123 yards or 50 grams, made in Peru. And so it's a 3-weight. It's a hand wash and a lay flat, 70% merino and 30% silk. It's very nice. And it smells like a cardboard box. That's good though. That's good. Oh, I'm going to stop and say I don't have a tutorial for this hat. This hat is knitted, and it was knitted for me by one of my dear friends here on YouTube. Okay, so this is their DK weight for this. Gloss is what it's called. It does have a shine to it. You see that? And it's a merino silk blend. Isn't that pretty? There's the color. So this stuff was on a regular basis $6.39, but I did get, I think it was 30% off. It could have been 25, but I'm pretty certain that it was 30. But I don't know. But that's what that was. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I only got 3 of these at 123 yards because I thought I would just make a hat out of it for myself. It's one of my favorite colors. So I got that. And then this stuff is new to me. I don't think it was new to them, but it's new to me. And it is very, very lightweight. But I might commission someone to make something out of this for me. Look at that stuff. Oh, so this is called Luminance lace weight. Oh, lace weight. That's like the 0 weight, isn't it? I don't know, but I know it's too lightweight for me. So the color is called Kismet. 430 yards for 50 grams. Yeah, zero weight, 100% mulberry silk. It is very nice. Hand wash, lay flat. Very, very nice. Made in Peru. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful purple. I was just so drawn to that. It's so shiny. It is so silky. Like I said, I can't crochet with lightweight yarns like this because I have arthritis in my left hand. The fingers on my left hand. But I would love, I know I can do multiple strands together. Thought about that. But I'll probably commission someone to make something. There you go. That's like thread for me. That's like crocheting with thread. That's hardcore. I commend anybody that can crochet with this lightweight stuff. I know some people like to, but I think this would be a beautiful top or a shawl or something like that. I did get enough to make something, I think. Truthfully, I never work with a 0 weight, so I don't know how much it takes to to make something. But this stuff was $14.99 a hank, which I think is worth every penny of that. But I did get that discount on top of that, so that made it worth even more. And like I said, I think I got enough here to make something bigger. Look at that pretty stuff shining in the light. That is gorgeous. I know some of that would really like that color. That's my dog. He's chewing up that stuff. George, you quit that. You give me that. Okay. And then let's see. I got, these came with it here. A pattern book. Okay, sorry about that. My dog was getting crazy. I had to remove him from the room. Anyways, I got this pretty pattern book who I'll probably send to the person that made me this hat. But it's not going to be all knitted things, but it's a nice book for people that like, you know, that knit. I don't know. Yeah, it's all knitted stuff, but beautiful, beautiful stuff. I don't even understand any of it. That's a pretty sweater. Pretty tank. I don't wear tanks unless I wear a shirt over them. But pretty. All this is knitted. It looks intimidating. I don't know how to knit, for those if you guys don't know. But yeah, that's some pretty stuff in there. Nice. So yeah, that came free. I didn't pay for that. That must be what the, yeah, Carefree Cotton Knits by Knit Picks. That was free. Alright, and here's the new yarn that they came out with, I guess. This is called Knit Picks Shine Multi Worsted Weight. I think they said it was new. I don't know. It's new to me. We'll just say that. So it's this is 150 yards or 100 grams. It's 60 Pima and 40 modal. Hope I said that right. It's very, very soft, very garment worthy. It says you can machine, wash on cold, and tumble dry. That's nice. That's a pretty color too. I got the entire color palette so I could show you guys. Some of them looks like they would mix well together. This one is called oh, they're made in Peru. This one's called a Pecan Praline. Very, very pretty. That stuff is soft. I like that a lot. So it's a plied yarn there. There's their 4-way. It's a nice 4-way. You know, I'd go back and get, I wonder how busy that would be. I bet it would look really pretty knitted up versus crocheted. But, I mean, it would still look pretty crocheted. I think I would use, like, a pretty simple stitch with it, though, since it looks like it could be a bit of a busy yarn. Oh, I'm going to whip myself up a hat on the Addy out of this. A beanie style. So, because since it's cotton there, well, Pima modal, I can wear it. I just wanted to look up that model so I could tell you right, since it's a 60 Pima and 40 model. It says it's a bio-based fabric that's made from spinning beech tree cellulose. It's considered a more eco-friendly alternative to cotton because beech trees don't require much water to grow, and therefore production process uses about 10 to 20 times less water. Interesting. It's very beautiful and it's very soft. So that and the Pima together is making a very, very, very nice soft fabric. Definitely garment worthy. So I love that. That one is probably my favorite color, the Pecan Praline, from looking at them on the site. But they have a lot of pretty colors. And then they have this one here. These are all the same. This is nice stuff. This one's called Rock Candy. That's good. Appropriate name for that. Like that. Yeah, it looks like a lot of them, they all work well together. The name on this one is called Dinner Mints. See, because it's got the same blue. And then it's also got the same orange color as these. I like this one. Caramel corn. Yes, these two together would look nice. another one. Yeah, they all go, they're like mix and match. That's what they are. These are very pretty. Tutti Frutti. And then we got, this one came undone. That's okay. I'll hank it back up. Candy buttons. Oh, I remember candy buttons. I've been having them forever. So again, now this one's getting into the pinks and the blues. So as you can see, it would match up with that one as well. I'll hank that up in a minute. And we got this one right here is very pretty. Pink and purple, marzipan. I love marzipan a lot. I could sit here and eat, I have many times sat here and eaten boxes of marzipan while I'm working on YouTube stuff. That's very pretty, that pink and that purple together. And then we got this one right here. It's got the reds and the purple. This one's called Cherry Licorice. Very pretty. So again, those would probably go good together. They got that purple, same purples in them. And then we got this pink and red. It's pretty too. I like all these colors. Strawberries and cream. That's appropriate. These are some pretty colors. Ooh, this looks like grapes. It's gotta have to do with grapes. What do you guys think? The name? Gumdrop. No, that's candy. It's all candy names, isn't it? Is that what it's pretty. That one's pretty. Huh, candy name for that one. I don't know. Blue cotton candy. Okay. That's pretty. Those are all very pretty. I'm almost done here. I got just a few more. Blackberry fizz. Gorgeous. That's the blues and grays together. That is absolutely stunning. Oh, in that purple. The same purple that's in some of these other ones. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Think of a candy name for that one. I have no idea. Slushy. Of course. It's like slushy. Like a blue raspberry slushy. That's pretty. That's a pretty one too. I love all these. All these colors are so pretty. Here's the last one. And this one is called Pavola? Is that a candy? I'm looking it up. It is. It's meringue. Strawberry Pavola. What is Pavola? I guess it's a type of meringue, I guess. I didn't know that. A meringue-based dessert. I see. Originated in Australia or New Zealand. Looks good. And this is pretty. I love the color of the yarn, and the dessert looks pretty dang good too. I've never heard of that dessert before. Makes you want it. Alright, now this stuff, I did buy the whole pack of it. Like you could buy like the whole color palette. And these are these aren't 14. $9.57 each for the whole palette. But I did get the 25, or I still think it was 30% off of that too. So actually it went, this yarn is extremely nice. I like this, all of it that I got. That's all I got from Knit Picks. I love all this that I got. Now this shine is super nice. If you're looking for a nice soft, this is, like I said, Pima Modal Mix. This is very nice. I just don't know how busy it will be. I'll have to work up a hat on my Addy and wear it. What's the yardage on this? I forgot. 150 yards. That will make me a hat on the Addy knitting machine. And we'll see what it looks like. But those are all very beautiful. I'm very happy with that. It seems like they would have it in solid too, since this one says multi. Maybe not though. I don't know their site that well. I don't I gotta hang this. I haven't navigated it a lot, so I'm not certain. But this one is my favorite still, the Pecan Praline. And I love pecan pralines as well. in the marzipan. So that was all of that one. And then this stuff is really pretty. The gloss, very soft too as well. Merino silk blend. That's nice. That's going to be a hat for me. Gonna be a hat for me. Now this stuff is extremely exceptionally nice. Luminance. It's like definitely like a grape, shiny grape color. It is so gorgeous, but the weight on that is so lightweight. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I saw it and I thought, I know someone probably likes lace weight. I can commission it out. Or like I said, I don't really like to do it, but I can probably put a couple hanks together. Or I probably have to put like 5 or 6 hanks together to make something. I don't know, but this stuff is absolutely gorgeous. And this, if you like lace weight, this is worth every penny that they're asking for that. That stuff is beautiful. Ooh, I think that would be a beautiful, beautiful top. Or a beautiful lightweight shawl. I think that would be the best use for this. That would be my guess. Probably knitted if I had a choice. But I can't knit, so I don't have a choice. I can't crochet this anyway, so I don't have a choice either way. But anyways, that's what I got from Knit Picks. And I like it all. I would recommend any one of those 3 yarns to anybody. They're very, very beautiful. So yes, I did get them at Knit Picks. Just took a few days to get here. I bought it over Memorial Day sale. But Knit Picks has sales all the time, so I always recommend signing up to their mailing list. And I'm going to pay more attention to their yarns, and I'm going to see if they have that shine in a solid color, so I can see what that's like. But this was fun. I like all that yarn. It's all very, very pretty. It was all, each one of them was very soft. And I'm just thinking in my head of what I can do with that luminescence, or whatever it was called, the silky purple. If I want to double it up, triple it up, or quadruple it up, or 5 times it up. I don't know if I want to do that or not, but I'll think about it. You guys can let me know in the comments. That's lace weight. If you crocheted lace weight or knitted lace weight, what would you make out of that? This stuff. That is if you use the lace weight and you like it. It's mulberry silk, 100%, super soft, super shiny. I mean, magnificent. If you knitted or crocheted with this thin stuff, what would you make? Let me know in the comments. Alright? Alright, I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Thanks for watching. It's good to be back. And, yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And leave me a comment below and a like, because that always helps me out. And I really appreciate everybody watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Yeah.